crochet designer, instructor, and blogger behind Itchin' for Some Stitchin'.
Today I'm going to share with you how to crochet the mini basket weave stitch. The mini basket weave stitch creates a very dense, highly textured fabric that is great for bags, baskets, sweaters. To do this tutorial, you will need yarn of your choice and an appropriate size hook for the yarn you've chosen. I'm going to be using medium 4 worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start this pattern, you'll want to crochet in a multiple of 2 for your foundation chain. I'm going to go ahead and chain 20. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and here is 20. Okay, so this is our foundation chain. What we want to do for row 1 is we want to turn our foundation chain over and we want to work into these back posts, these little bumps on the back side of the foundation chain. We're going to start with a row of double crochets. So we're going to yarn over and then we're going to start our first double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. This is 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to insert our hook under this back post or bump, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to complete the double crochet. Now we're going to go ahead and place a double crochet into each chain all the way across. Okay, 2 more stitches left. Okay, so we have completed row 1, which is a row of double crochets. Now we want to move on. We are going to chain 2, 1, 2. Okay, and this chain 2 counts as a half double crochet. We are going to turn our work, okay, and we are not going to work into our stitches like we would traditionally. For the mini basket weave stitch, we're actually going to work around these vertical posts of the double crochets, okay. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to start by doing what's called the front post double crochet, and I do have a tutorial on that I'll put a link for you in the description. So I have yarned over to start a double crochet, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work around this post going from front to back. So I'm going to twist my hook, I'm going to insert into this little hole here, I'm going to twist it around, go behind this post and out through the other hole here. I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to pull through. Okay, now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2 to complete that double crochet. So that is a front post double crochet. It's working from front to back around the vertical post here. Now what we want to do the mini basket weave stitch is we are going to do a back post double crochet, and we're going to alternate those throughout. So we're going to do a front post double crochet, and now we're going to do a back post double crochet, and then we're going to do a front post double crochet, and then a back post double crochet, and on. Okay, so the back post double crochet is worked very similar to the front post double crochet. I do have a full tutorial on it. I'll put a link in the description. we're going to yarn over. Now, instead of inserting our hook from front to back around this post, we're going to work around this post going from back to front. So we're going to go in around the back side here. Okay. We're going to twist our hook so it goes over instead of under. We're going to go over this post here into the hole on the other side. This is what it'll look like on the back side. We're going to yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2 to complete that double crochet. Okay, so now we have just worked a back post double crochet here. Front post double crochet, back post double crochet. Now we're going to do another front post double crochet, yarn over. We're going to go in from front to back. Okay, so this is front, go around to the hole on the other side. So with the front post double crochet, you can see that the vertical post we're working around will be on top of our hook. We yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. Now we're going to make another back post double crochet. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to come in from the back to the front. So we're going to go around this direction. Okay. And then we're going to twist our hook so that our post that we're working around is now on the back side of the crochet hook. With the front double crochet, it was on top. For the back double crochet, it's going to be on back. Okay. We're going to twist. Okay. So this is what it would look like on the front. This is our back. Okay. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. So we have front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet. And we're going to repeat that all the way to the end. And when we get down here to the end, I'll show you how to get to the next row. Okay, so here we are, we're at the end. I do have one more post that I need to work around. I have just finished a back post double crochet, so now I'm going to do a front post double crochet. So I yarned over, I'm going to insert my hook from front to back around, making sure that post is on top of my hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So to close off this row, I'm going to place a half double crochet into the top of the turning chain here. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay. And now I've just completed my first row basket weave stitches, which is alternating front post double crochet and back post double crochets. Okay, so for the next row we're going to do exactly the same thing, but what we're going to do is every time you see where we worked a front post double crochet, we're going to work a back post double crochet, and where we worked a back post double crochet, we're going to work a front post double crochet. So we're always on the next row doing the opposite of what we've done on this row here on the previous row. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. We're going to chain 2, because this counts as a half double crochet. We are going to turn our work. Okay, I'm going to yarn over to start my double crochet. Now this is a back post double crochet that we worked right here. Now remember, we're skipping this one here because we are counting this chain 2 as a half double crochet into this stitch here. So we're going to work around this front, we're going to work around this back post double crochet, and we're going to create a front post double crochet. So I've yarned over, I'm going to go in from front to back around that vertical post, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so now I have just worked a front post double crochet around a back post double crochet. Our next stitch is a front post double crochet, so I'm going to work a back post double crochet around it. So I'm going to yarn over, and I am going to insert my hook from back to front. Okay, so now that stitch is on the back side here instead of on the front. We're going to yarn over, pull through. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so now I have just worked a back post double crochet around a front post double crochet. Our next stitch is a back post double crochet, so we want to work a front post double crochet around it. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to insert our hook from front to back. The post is on top of our crochet hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay. Our next stitch is a front post double crochet, so we're going to work a back post double crochet. I've yarned over, I'm going to insert my hook from back to front, twisting that hook around here. Okay, our post is on top of the hook on the back side here, not the front. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and so we're going to continue in that pattern all the way down. Okay, and when we get down here, I'll meet you down here to show you how to move on to the next row. One last post to work around. I just completed a back post double crochet, so now I'm going to do a front post double crochet. So I'm going to insert from front to back around this stitch here, going to yarn over, pull up, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and I'm going to complete the row by working a half double crochet into the top of the turning chain. So yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so now to go on to the next row, we would chain 2, which counts as our half double crochet, and then just like we did on this row here, we're going to work a back post double crochet into every front post double crochet, and work a front post double crochet into every back post double crochet. And we would continue in that pattern on, and when you do that, you end up with a fabric that looks a bit like this here. Okay, you may have to flatten out your stitches a little bit to get this exact look, because the front post double crochets are often quite bumpy, but ultimately in the end, this is what your piece would look like. And that is how you do the mini basket weave stitch. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel, and I'll be back with more fun tutorials for you in the future.